simple cooking. In this video, I am going to show you how we can make a simple crispy fried prawns, or as we call it in Marathi, तळलेली Kurkurit Kolambi. Coming up. Whenever I see some fresh prawns, the first dish that comes to my mind is let's fry these prawns. So in this video, I am going to do exactly that. So this video is all about prawns and how we are going to fry them. So those of you who are seeing me for the first time, well, I show such kind of simple and interesting recipes every week. So please do consider subscribing by clicking on the red subscribe button below, and also please do click on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a video, you never miss an update. So with that out of the way, let's check out the ingredients required for frying these prawns. So for this prawns fry, I have taken 500 grams of peeled prawns. I have deveined them. Well, you can check the card on top of your screen to see how you can devein and clean prawns. Around 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic. I have chopped them very finely. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Along with that, I will be adding a pinch of hing, some fresh lemon juice, and of course we will add salt to taste. So this is all what we require. Now the very first step is we have to marinate these prawns. So for that, just take an empty bowl, add the chopped garlic, add red chilli powder, add garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of asafoetida, and salt to taste. Squeeze in the fresh lemon juice in it. Add little bit of oil. Well, this is optional, you can ignore this, but I am adding little bit of oil. And now mix it really well. Well, once the masala is ready, now add our prawns in this masala and mix the prawns and masala really well so that all the masala will be evenly distributed across all the prawns. Well, if you feel that the marinade is too dry, go ahead and add a little bit of more oil. Well, our marinade is ready. Now we will keep this prawns for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Well, this is really important to add flavor to our prawns. So what will happen is when we keep this marinade aside, all the flavor of the spices will be blended together with the moisture of the prawns, and the flavor of these spices will reach deep down inside of the prawns. So when you have a bite, you will have the flavor till the very end. So let's take a pan and add some oil in it, around 1 tablespoon. Now let this oil heat up. So once our oil heats up, you can add in our prawns. So once we add all the prawns in the pan, let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes from one side. While frying the prawns, we should keep in mind that we shouldn't be overdoing it. If we overdo our prawns, the prawns will become like rubber. It will be very chewy. So after a couple of minutes, just flip over our prawns. Cook for 2 minutes from other side as well. Well, sometimes we can also coat these prawns with some rice flour or say besan before frying it. What it will do is it will add to the crispiness. That is how you can also do a prawns koli vada. But I prefer it this way so that the actual taste of the prawns is retained along with the spices. So just check from the other side. Well, our prawn seems to be done. So just now take it off the gas. Now let's fry our remaining prawns. Well, our prawns seems to be done. Look at how they are. They are perfectly crispy, perfectly fried from each side. So wasn't that really simple, guys? This is how easy it is to fry some prawns. And boy, you can have it with some dal and rice. what a perfect combination it is. So this was all what I had to show you in this video, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have any feedback or comments, please don't forget to share it below. As always, I have shared the recipe of this dish in the description below, so don't forget to check out the description. So see you again, guys, next time in my next video. Till the time, you keep experimenting with food, share it with your friends, and don't forget to enjoy. Take care.